Punjab. It's 1-0 here. And out of nowhere, the punch from Rajat Paul needed to be better. And then the shot precise, a bit of luck with the deflection working in their favor. Paramjeet's shot, well, was there even a deflection? But whatever it is, the first goal coming from Punjab, and it's to be aware. Towards the far post again, nudged back, and that's the equalizer. He has surely stayed onside, and it's Figo Sendai. It's all level once again. And it's all square at Riyadh. Meghalaya were never looking to be out of this, and they've pulled back the goal. The plan executed to perfection. It was cushioned back from that header for Sheen, but then on the far post, tapped in. And Harjinder Singh doesn't know what has struck his team. All the celebrations from his idols coming in, and that finish somewhat blessed. Well, would love to see a replay of that, of course. Look at that again. Tonbok with the assist with his left. A glorious moving beauty with his left. And perfect finish. And Meghalaya have turned it around from being 1-0 down. Beautifully done. To the side netting, of course, inside the net.